In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you create your own avatar by using Wombo Dream AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Wombo Dream application at very first. And after opening the Wombo Dream application, you will get to see this plus button into the bottom middle. Just simply tap to that option, and after that you will get this three option in create artwork. First is text, second is image, and third one is avatar, which is brand new feature into this application. Just simply tap to avatar option, and after selecting the avatar option, you can create your avatar just by selecting an image or clicking any of the photos from your cameras. Otherwise, you can also describe your avatar or the character by using the prompt into this section, or you can also use any of the existing prompts or auto-generated prompts by this AI, and after that tap to create and your avatar will be created. And this way you can very easily create an avatar into Wombo Dream. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.